think it's about 3 weeks to carve that hole out for you guys. Good job, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
Just gonna point out the back, you can see the light, and then I saw that wave coming. You can see that waterfall. That's coming about twice as much as it normally does. In the summertime, when I was a crew member years back, we had a different manager, so he let us do different things. One of the things we do is most of the time we do our tour on the way up. This is like one of the last things we see. But captain would kind of come into that other cave over there, and about 10 minutes before that I would get towards the back of the boat, and so everyone would kind of forget about me. And right as soon as they went in the tunnel, and everybody was tending focus forward, I'd jump off, nobody would know, and I'd sneak up to the top where the water's coming down. That flows out of a pond, comes down, and I'd lay in it, and cut the water off completely, and just stop. So they'd come through the tube, and he would tell people, oh, we've been able to summon the gods and turn this waterfall. Clap or whistle or something like that, get the whole thing was going. But our manager's turned down, I realized everything like that. That's accurately described anyway. Guys, that shot when we were inside the cave looking out at the waterfall, National Geographic took a picture of that. 2008, and it ended up being the cover shot for the article they were doing. That's pretty impressive, huh? Man, that wave came out of nowhere,
Oh, nice.